Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Nuke bot on Discord. So let's get right into it. First of all guys, you have to go on Discord developer portal, and once you reach to this window here you have to go on applications, and in this section you have to go with new application, and here you have to write Nuke bot and mark up this box, and then you have to hit on create. Once you reach to this window here you have to go on bot, and here you have to scroll down. Now enable these three options and hit on save changes, and then go on auth 2, scroll down, and here you have to enable sum of scopes. Select vote from here and then scroll down, and then select administrator here, scroll down once again, and then you have to copy this link. Just go back to your server and paste it over here, click on it, and then hit on continue. Go with this captcha, and that's it guys. Your Nuke bot has been authorized and added into your server. This is how you make Nuke bot Discord. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.